Would it surprise you to know that the collagen built from PDO thread placement can last anywhere from 12 months up to 2 years? Come talk nerdy with me. My name is Dawn Mugel. I am a board-certified nurse practitioner focusing in aesthetics and wellness. Okay, so let's talk about PDO threads. These are one of my most favorite topics. What are they, first of all? It is a dissolvable suture. It is made of polydioxanone, and once they are placed, because they have little tiny barbs, I know that sounds scary, it is just little tiny threads going the opposite direction so that it holds tissue and grabs a hold of the tissue so that you can get that lifting effect that you're looking for. A lot of us don't like our jawline as we age, or the laxity, or when we're leaning forward, you know, what we can see in the jowling or even under the neck. You can place threads that help to give a nice little lift backwards that can improve the appearance of the tightness of the skin, enhance the jawline. And this really can be done anywhere, whether it is, you know, upper face or lower face, in the jowls and jawline, in the neck. You can also do it for a brow lift, or some people call it fox eye, but you really can put them just about anywhere throughout the body to promote collagen production and to improve the skin laxity and help lift and tighten the skin. So what are some of the pros of PDO threads? It is non-invasive. Your treatment time is about 45 minutes depending on the area. It is relatively comfortable throughout the treatment. I use a lidocaine so that you are numb during the treatment. So really, I don't think it's a painful procedure. I think it more just sounds a little strange when you're having it done, but very comfortable and tolerable. The results initially are immediate. When you sit up, you're gonna see that lifting effect I was talking about. You're gonna continue to see improved results over the next 90 days or so as your own body starts to build collagen around those sutures. Those sutures are gonna dissolve all by themselves, usually at about a 4-month, 5-month marker, depending on what type of suture it is. But the collagen that you built and that tightness that you developed will last for, like I said, anywhere from 12 months up to 2 years. Another really nice thing about PDO threads is it's a fraction of the cost as surgical options for skin tightening, and also with very minimal downtime. So I would say post-treatment, what to expect. You want to allow about 2 weeks after treatment that you're really just babying the area. So let's say you did threads in the face. You know, I don't want, in that 2-week span, I don't want any facial massaging, big wide open mouth like a dentist visit, or anything that can really disrupt the tightness of those threads, because you really want them to heal in that tight position. I tell most of my patients, for instance, when I had them done, I felt little pinches or things that I could tell that they were there in the skin for about 3 days after treatment, and then it became much more comfortable, and after 2 weeks I couldn't even tell that they were there. And then of course, this is a great treatment to combine with other treatments. I personally really like PDO threads with a little bit of filler and facial sculpting, just because the threads are gonna help with laxity to help tighten and lift the skin, whereas filler will help with volume deficit and support. So they go really well together. So be sure to stay tuned for our next video, which is going to be a comparison between the Hydrofacial and the Diamond Glow. You don't want to miss that one. Until next time, come talk nerdy with me.